breathe into that love. As we relax for meditation, allowing the body to become still and knowing that a still mind follows a still body. So we simply breathe and step apart for a while, knowing that the mind does what the mind does. And it will simply seek to attach to ideas, thoughts, emotions, to news, concepts, criticisms. And that's simply not a problem. For there is a presence and a power deeper and more grounded than any thoughts floating through the clouds in the mind, than any emotions flying through the skies of the mind, even than any rain raining down within our beings. There's no need to push away or to struggle. We simply dive even more deeply into that inner landscape, the place within the heart that knows stillness, the place within our being that has been here before, maybe for lifetimes, the place within us that is grounded and rooted and knows no fear. It simply presences fear like the human experience that it is. It simply presences discord or lack for what it is, simply an appearance, but not a core aspect of being. So we breathe into that space, allowing it to have our full, undivided attention. Remembering that we swim in the midst of the living waters, that we live in a universe that loves us, supports us, and wants us to thrive, wants us to thrive. That we live on an earth that provides in abundance. So as we become so calm within our being, we remember for all of humanity and for ourselves that infinite intelligence is right here, always available, completely accessible, free and abundant. That love can never be something that we lack or reach out for because it is self-existent within. And that transformation can happen in a moment of consciousness. Transformation that begins and continues to awaken our highest awareness, our divine faculties, and our spiritual resources. So as we breathe into that for ourselves, we know this truth for all humanity, for all life on earth. We allow a simple, authentic gratitude to begin to fill our being as we soak in the silence. There is only love. There is only love. Love that heals, love that sets us free. There is only love. Let's know these words together. There is only love. There is only love. Love that heals, a love that sets us free. There is only